time to catch up with an old banger's favourite. This week, the RS2000. It was the mid-80s when Simon Archer from Burton-on-Trent first clapped eyes on the four-wheeled love of his life.
One of the most desirable cars at the time. I'd wanted one since I was 17. When this one came up on the forecourt at £3,300, I got the money and that was it. I went and bought it. My pride and joy.
Simon enjoyed its company for a while, but life moved on, and before he knew it, the RS had been sitting in his garage, unused, for 26 years.
Now then, mate, how are you?
All right, Dave?
Yeah, good. And that's it, is it?
Yep.
It had a nasty surprise waiting for Dave.
Oh, it is. What's that, bloody?
It only had half an engine.
We've got no brake horsepower in this whatsoever.
Where did the head go then, mate?
Went on the transit.
Right.
Estimates for mint versions were high on the day of the auction.
Mega money. A real nice one. 50 grand, isn't it?
But Wayne Hickman from Warrington still got a good deal on this one.
10.5. Well done, sir. Thanks for your bidding.
Wayne was no stranger to RS2000s.
I've had 72.
Within weeks, the car was completely dismantled, ready for its nut and bolt restoration. Wayne's reason for going to all this trouble was unusual.
We call the car Ethel. I don't like using her. I look at her more than I use her.
So you need another one to use?
That's the one.
And 3 years later, after an exhaustive restoration, Wayne's world was complete.
We've copied Ethel. Full restoration, even changed the roof because it had a sunroof in, new inner and outer wings. The engine's been fully rebuilt. There was no cylinder head on, so I've found one of them. The axle's been rebuilt, new springs, new strut inserts, Pirelli tyres. Still got all the little bobbles on, but it just makes it look more authentic from back in the day.
It looks and sounds just great, but someone is a perfectionist.
It's not exactly perfect, but over this winter I'm going to make it better than it already is, finding some more of the genuine parts. I've got vision. This is the £1 million Escort.